Stentor is one of the largest single-cell organisms alive. Some are big enough to see with the naked eye. Slice one apart, and each piece with enough of the cell can regrow into a whole new Stentor, a fact that interests many researchers for its potential in human cell regrowth. Enjoy a few minutes showcasing the amazing beauty of these single-cell giants. In this series, we look closely at the most beautiful living things too small to see. Check out the pinned comment to learn more about the subject of today's portrait. And if you want to see hundreds of Stentors undergoing a mass sexual conjugation event, don't miss our full documentary. I'll put a link in the description.